have seen toppers used to struggle and the average students used to succeed. AI is changing the jobs, but it is creating the new opportunities. Many students or parents are confused. Will AI take the jobs? No. The truth is AI will replace the routine jobs, not the thinking jobs. So in this video, I'll be talking about the top professional course which is much in demand in India 2026, especially in this AI era. AI is not here to replace human completely. It replaces the repetitive tasks, but the value of where your decision making are more involved, creativity, where there is human touch involvement is required. So the key is not choosing trendy course, but choosing the course which is integrated with AI. AI is not against anything. First course is artificial intelligence and data science. In today's industry, be it whichever field, be it finance, marketing, everywhere it is data driven. So this course helps to analyze the data, how to build an integrated system, how to take a data driven systems. So this course is not only for engineers. This can be done by even a background of commerce or any stream, in fact, who is having an interest. Second important course I like to recommend is cyber security. As nowadays everything is moving online, obviously the threat is always there for our data. So AI can automate the attacks, but the humans are need to develop the system, like understand the security threats, develop an ethical way to stop the attacks. And today cyber security is really on high demand and short of supply. So this is the course which definitely students can look into if they have the interest of cyber security. Third important course is business analytics. So a company doesn't want only data. So they want insight with that data. So business analytics, which will combine business management, data tools, strategic thinking, how to analyze the business with that data. So this course is ideal for commerce management and economic students. Product management. So product managers don't code all the time. They used to decide whom we are building this product, why we are building it, and exactly what is the outcome of this product. This role blends the technology, business experience and user experience. It's not easily replaces by AI. Healthcare technology. So healthcare is another sector which is growing rapidly with technology. Healthcare technology combines with the medical knowledge, with the tools, with the AI tools and data driven. With aging population and digital healthcare platforms, and it is going to be a long-term demand. A simple example, the two engineers who started their career and one who has completely followed the orthodox system, and the another engineer who has adapted to he has keep himself updated with AI and latest tool along with his engineering. Obviously in career growth, if you see after few years, the second engineer, he got a better placement, not because of the luck or anything. It is purely because of the adaptability. It's all about future proof courses. If you analyze programs which I suggest is on much demand, so there is always a combination. They combine the technology plus decision making, creativity plus analytics, domain knowledge plus modern tools. So pure memorization based programs are really not valued anymore. So remember, the important takeaway is choose the course which will help us to think in decision making, everything, not into the good old memorizing funda. Still you're confused which course you want to choose, which is of much demand in today's industry. You can connect with us anytime and book for a free counseling where we'll be analyzing your entire profile. Thanks for watching this video.